Hey babes, so today I'm going to share with you how I make my face masks. I have two different types. One of them is a sew and the other is a no sew. So for the outside layer, I'm using some leftover cloth that I had from a previous DIY, and this is going to be a 6x9. The inner layer is going to be a cotton piece of cloth and also 6x9. Once they're cut out, I layer them. I fold all the outsides inward about 1/4 of an inch. I usually don't add a nose piece because of my glasses, but you could always use a piece of pipe cleaner cut at 4 inches. Once that's done, I stitch the two longer sides in place. I usually create 3 pleats on mine, but you can make as many as you want. If you make 3, it's usually going to measure about 3.5 inches. Once I've decided where I want them, I go ahead and stitch those two sides. Once my pleats are fixed and my sides are stitched, I decide where I want my elastic. If I want it to go around my head and around my neck, I cut them at 10 inches. If I want them to go around my ears, I cut them at 6 inches. I decided I wanted this one to go around my ears, so I went ahead and stitched my elastic on both sides. And that's it, my face mask is done. Now for the no-sew pattern, I used this template. I'll make sure to link it below. For this one, I chose a different pattern fabric for the outside layer. Once I have my outside and inside layer cut out, I go ahead and get my fabric adhesive. I added adhesive to my outside layer and glued the cotton layer onto it. Then I added glue to the outside layer and pinched it inward. Then I cut off a little bit of the excess, but this is just a personal preference. point is where I decide where I want my elastics, around my head and my neck, or around my ears. I add glue to the inside and fold inward. And that's it. In less than 5 minutes, I created a face mask without having to sew anything at all. This model is fairly new to me, so it's mainly more of a backup plan. I am definitely more inclined to using the other one, simply because it's more comfortable to me. This is one of my all-time favorites. I love the color, I love the fit, and it's just very comfortable. Let me know what you think. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I also hope you and your family are staying safe at this time. And if you are, thank you so much for playing your part to help flatten the curve.